Alright guys, today's a video about PS5 and going to your media gallery. So what we're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead and push this button. Then you'll see this pop up, and then you want to go down. You want to go to the left, hit that. Then you'll see on the bottom it says go to media gallery. And then now you can see all the different things you saved. Go back to videos that you watched, videos that you saved. Say you had some wins. And yeah, this is how you get back to it. Then you just have to click it to go in, and then it'll start playing. Or if it's a photo image, it'll just go like, for example, like this is just the image. Yeah, go ahead and try that out. This is just a simple video about getting to your media gallery. The next video I'm going to make is if you have too much junk in your media gallery, how do you erase it? All right, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.